Good morning, everyone, or should I say good afternoon? Yes, 12:59. Oh, the solar eclipse is supposed to be happening in about 27 minutes, I think. Supposed to be 1:27. So this is my upstairs guest bathroom, the one that I was telling you all if you watched my video of my Decorate With Me home office, my office is just across the hall, and this is the bathroom that's close to it. I told you I was going to take those curtains and match so it can kind of flow. Well, first I'm going to clean. I'm not going to be doing any touch-up paint because I don't have this paint. This paint is from Walmart, and I need to see if they carry it because I do like it, but I kind of want to lighten up my walls now. But right now, this is just a clean and decorate with me. So a lot of these things for where the shower curtains were hanging is showing where the paint has peeled off from the poles holding up there. So I am going to go ahead and just do the cleaning part. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you consider subscribing. Check out my other videos to see if you would like to make a determination, if you would like to be a part of the JRC Restoration Decor and Designs family. And for my faithful viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for your viewing support. So now let's get cleaning and then decorating my upstairs hall bathroom for spring of 2024. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. So before I get started, here's a closer look of my bathroom. I did this peel and stick tile. I think it's like maybe 4 sheets, I think. And I did this back in 2019, I want to say. And it's been up here ever since, and there's nothing wrong with it. If you all saw the bathroom makeover that I did in my daughter's bathroom in 2020, that tile is different from this one. It's the same colors, but I think the little tile pieces were a little longer. But this has been in here since 2019, and there's nothing wrong with it. What I was talking about, this is where shower poles were. I'm not worried about touching up anything now. This is real life. This is me. I will touch it up sometime this summer, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and get started. This is a double sink, but I'm going to go ahead and wash all of this down, wash the sinks and everything out, and then we'll come back, like I said, and get to decorating. So I just want to share that in certain parts of this video, in different areas of the video, I am going to be speeding it up just to keep the video as short as possible. Because I think it took me about an hour, maybe an hour and a half to clean the bathroom, and then another 30, maybe 45 minutes to decorate because I kept changing out pieces. I didn't show a lot of that. I did a lot of splicing in this editing of this video. So if you stick with me or if you watch the entire video, I do appreciate your support and your appreciation for watching the video all the way through. And again, I want to thank you all for stopping by. I love this window cleaner because it leaves no streaks, and it seems like it makes the windows or the mirrors almost like anti-fog. It keeps whatever's in it. It helps keeps the, at least in my bathroom, I don't know about anybody else's, but when the bathroom gets foggy from my shower running, it's like an anti-fog ingredient in it somewhere. But I absolutely love this Sprayway glass and mirror cleaner. I have thoroughly cleaned my bathroom. Gonna mop the floor off camera. You notice anything that was chrome, I just shined it. Even that up there. And this here, put a little shine to that as well. And my shower head. And the faucet and handle. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and mop this off camera. So let's get decorating now that the cleaning is done. I don't know that it matters to anyone, but if you noticed in most of my videos, I'm wearing a house dress. Some people call it a muumuu, but it's so comfortable. And I tell my daughters whenever they, for Mother's Day, birthday, Christmas, anytime, and Ross is the favorite place to go to buy these. I tell them, go get me a muumuu, because that's all I do. After I, take a shower and everything, lotion up, perfume down, I throw on this house dress. It is so relaxing and so comfortable. I don't like anything around my belly. I just like to be comfortable. So if you all wonder, why does she have a house dress on climbing ladders? There are little slits on the side that you can tie up in a knot, but I am very careful when I go up and down. Okay, on here, let me turn it around. Now on here, it looks like the curtains might be lavender, but it's not. It's a, like a deep smoky gray. And I like it because both curtains are linen. This is linen and that's linen. And I decided to do this because of the artwork that I DIY'd. Having two of these just threw off the color, because the blue that I use is a lighter color blue in the paint than the blue of the art that my daughter purchased for me. But the two pieces that I did, one is going to go over the toilet and one is going to go there. So I'm going to put that up now and bring you back and let you see what it looks like. So this is what is so far. Now, you see how bright this artwork I did is compared to this one? You can actually see it in the mirror. The one that I did has more white in it. And the one that my daughter bought me has more blues and grays in it. I'm going to let this work for right now. I'm going to let it work. I'm just thinking, let me finish decorating the bathroom and see it all together. Now I'm getting ready to bring a lamp in here to put on the table. This lamp, I was going to cut the cord, but I said, no, I'll just wrap it up, because the light bulb that I'm going to use in it is the LED rechargeable light bulb. This is my favorite scripture, Jeremiah 29:11. I'm using it as a decor piece there in the bathroom. And then You will see also that I'll be bringing in a Mercury vase, which is this with the blue feathers. That was in my office when I did the Decorate With Me for my office. I put another vase in its place in my office and brought this one in the bathroom because it was the extra pop of blue. These tea towels, a company gave those tea towels to me last year sometime. And then these small silver bowls, I've had these for a while. So I'm putting a tea towel on the toilet tank cover and the one on the sink, and then both the toilet tank cover and the towel on the sink is going to be covered with this bowl that I filled with some moss and blue potpourris, and then I got these birds on the side, and I just love how everything came out together. And the last thing I have to get is my rug, and I have this eyelash rug that I've had for a while. It's kind of the dark gray. Let's see if it'll fit, and it will. Just needs to be in front of the sink. Okay, and it's even. And I like the lashes to stand up. Okay, now I'm going to give you a review. Okay, here is my upstairs hall guest bathroom, decorated for 2024 spring. I love the touches of blue. Like I said, this picture may come out and go in the hall because of how light this one is, but for right now, it's going to stay. And I like this table in here with the little decor. I'm going to put a bulb in here, a soft watt bulb for like a night light. Again, I'm the only one that lives here, so I use this when I'm in my office. And I love how this little piece on top came for the tank top. And I will turn the lights off so you can see the candles blink through the mercury glass. And I like the decor on the vanity and my DIY art. So I'm surprised at how good it came out. Even though there is the art of the flowers already there that peeked through, I'm glad that the painting, you know, the colors mixed together came out really nice. And I brought this out of my office. If y'all looked at my office, I had it on my table next to my love seat, but there's something there, and it's not really missing this piece here. And again, my console table with my favorite Bible scripture, Jeremiah 29:11. These flowers I took out of my office, and I've had these two pieces, and I bought them separately, but they are actually the same texture, I guess you would call it. The little glass tile pieces on them. And I just love how everything turned out. And my curtains. So if you liked this clean and decorate with me, and if you like how this turned out, please give it a thumbs up. I would love to read your comments. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And for those that are new to my channel, welcome. And check out my other videos if you like them. Please consider being a part of the GRC Restoration Decor and Designs family. And for my faithful viewers and supporters, thank you so much for your viewing faithful support. And again, I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.